Hello, my dear learner. Welcome to your very first journey into the world of English. If you are here today, it means you are ready to take that beautiful first step, ready to speak, ready to listen, and ready to believe in yourself. Today's lesson is special because it is not just about words or grammar. It is about you and your voice. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone starts somewhere, and it is absolutely fine to start small. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin your first English experience together. Imagine this moment. You are sitting in front of your camera. The little red light starts blinking. You can see your own reflection on the screen. Your heart beats a little faster. You smile nervously and say your very first words. Hello, YouTube. That simple moment carries so much power. It's not just a greeting, it's your courage, your confidence, and your way of saying to the world, I can do this. Now, repeat after me slowly and clearly. Hello, YouTube. Once more, with a little smile. Hello, YouTube. Perfect. You sound great already. English begins with emotion, not with perfection. It begins when you express yourself honestly, even if your English is not perfect yet. And that is exactly what we are doing right now, learning through connection, not pressure. Imagine you are somewhere in the UK, maybe in London, Manchester, Birmingham, or even Edinburgh. Or perhaps you are far away, watching from another country like India, Egypt, Spain, or Japan. But right now, in this very moment, we are connected. You and I are speaking English together, slowly, clearly, and naturally. When you say, hello, YouTube, you are not only greeting your viewers, you are also greeting yourself. The new version of you that dares to speak, that believes in growth, and that is not afraid anymore. You are saying, hello, new me. Hello, confident me. Hello, English-speaking me. Let's shadow these lines softly together. Say after me, hello, new me. Hello, confident me. Hello, English-speaking me. Wonderful. Can you feel the rhythm of your voice? That's the rhythm of English. It's gentle, calm, and full of life. In your first video, you might want to say something like, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Or, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. These are very natural British-style greetings. Try saying them slowly and clearly, letting your words flow softly. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And then again, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Each word should sound natural and balanced. That's what makes British English so pleasant. It's calm, it's polite, and it feels real. Now, let's talk about nervousness. Feeling shy or uncomfortable in front of a camera is completely normal. Even native speakers feel that way sometimes. The key is not to fight your nervousness, but to flow with it. Speak slowly. Take your time. Breathe between your sentences. And remember to smile. Your smile can make even simple words sound beautiful. Now, say this slowly with me. My name is Freya, and add your name. Try again. My name is Freya. Excellent. That's your first step towards introducing yourself confidently in English. Let's connect it all together. Try saying this with me. Hello, YouTube. My name is Freya. Welcome to my first video. Say it again, but this time imagine you are truly talking to your audience, your viewers, your community. Hello, YouTube. My name is Freya. Welcome to my first video, beautiful. That sounds natural, confident, and full of warmth. To make it sound even more British, you can add a small, polite touch. For example, you can say, lovely to see you all here, or I'm really happy to start this journey with you. These phrases are very friendly and genuine. Repeat after me slowly. Lovely to see you all here. Then again, I'm really happy to start this journey with you. Try shadowing me now, matching my rhythm and tone. Lovely to see you all here. I'm really happy to start this journey with you. Did you feel how smooth it sounds? That is what makes spoken English so special. It's not just words, it's music. Let's take a small pause here. If you are feeling shy or unsure, that's completely okay. You are not alone in this journey. Thousands of learners around the world are practicing these same lines right now. They are also saying, "Hello, YouTube," for the first time, and they are also learning to believe in their voice. Your first step doesn't have to be perfect. It only needs to be honest. Every small step you take counts. Every single attempt builds confidence. Say these positive affirmations with me slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning every day. I'm proud of my progress. Excellent. Every time you repeat, your tongue becomes stronger, your pronunciation gets smoother, and your confidence grows deeper. Now imagine this scene one last time. You look straight into the camera, take a slow, deep breath, smile gently, and say, "Hello, YouTube! My name is Freya, and this is my first video." You can hear your own voice, calm and clear. That's not just English. That's your courage speaking. Before we close this lesson, I want you to remember something very important. You don't need to sound like anyone else. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be yourself, clear, calm, and confident. Keep practicing your hello. Record yourself, listen again, and notice how each time you sound a little better, a little more fluent, a little more natural. That's progress, and progress is what truly matters. You've just completed your first English practice with me, and that deserves a quiet moment of pride. Take a deep breath and smile. You've done something many people only dream of. You've started. Well done, my friend. See you in the next lesson, where we'll move from hello to talking about your day, your morning, and your life, step by step in simple British English.